Welcome back to my channel. I am Jenna. For those of you who are new to my channel, welcome sis. Thank you very much for stopping by and watching this video. And for my returning subscribers, hello sis, hi. New week, new product introduction. Organigrowhairco, since I have been introducing to you weekly one product from their line that I have. Last week I showed you guys how I used the Mango to do my hair. You guys saw it last week, but for me that was like 3 weeks ago. When I show you guys how I did the hair last week, I actually filmed it on May 1st, and today is May 20th. So about, I hope you guys can even see it, like somewhere here, May 20th. So it's been about good 3 weeks. Show you guys how I have been moisturizing this hair in the past 3 weeks. So let me quickly show you first which product from my collections I'm gonna use for this video. Welcome back. For those who don't know all my collections, these are my remaining product that I have from Organigrowhairco, and each week I have already been showing you guys how I use each of the specific product. And for this week we are going to go for the stimulation scalp beverage for low porosity hair. So yeah, let's go. I want to use another one as well. I want to use the Conditioning Curling Custard as well. Like, my hair already look very frizzy, so I want to kind of like try to slick it down a little bit. No, I don't necessarily need that, but I want to use like a cream to it. For those of you who are watching my video the first time, for the last 3 weeks now, or 4, I think, I have been introducing one product each week from the Organigrowhairco, and then we all always like go together through the ingredients, how they recommend you to use it, and how I myself use it, because I've been using their product for years. And at the beginning I stick to their instructions, then after that I switch it up a little bit so that it's actually like matches to my hair journey. Let me put this down. I use my old t-shirt of mine. You can see like kind of still a little bit wet ish. I use the old towel of mine to tie my hair. Not even a towel, it's a t-shirt. It was a broken t-shirt that I just cut so that I can, in the meantime, have like a towel for my hair. My hair is not completely dry, it's still kind of like damp, wet. The Scalp Beverage oil says 100% organic and vegan. It's a daily oil elixir. I don't use it daily. No, my organic hair products are very precious to me. I mainly use their product on my main wash days. I don't use it daily. This is the last one that I have. It's like I maybe have a quarter left, like 1/3 left. Instruction says, which is the back, as always, so simple, not a lot of blah blah, just like the main thing. Apply 10 to 15 drops directly into entire scalp daily. Massage with finger. Ingredients are sunflower oil, grapeseed oil, jojoba oil. That's all. Simple. And then to the extension oils are lavender oil, menta, pyrita. I'm not sure how you pronounce that, but as always I will put their website, their Instagram, and the link for this one, for this specific product. I will put them all under my description box, and also the playlist from that I made where I use all their product. I will put them also as well under my description box so that it's easier for you guys to actually find, and not like have to first go through all my, I don't know how many videos I already have on my channel. Not intended for external use. Keep out of reach of children. If you are pregnant, nursing, and have a medical condition, please consult a health professional prior to use. They always write that on their product. Let's go to the curling custard. Conditioning curling custard, which look like this. For low to medium porosity hair, it is styling medium hold. 100% organic and vegan, nourishing, moisturizing, no flaking, no drying gel. So no sulfur, paraben, mineral oils, dyes, alcohol, or stuff like that. Directions: apply to wet or damp hair. My hair is damp, but I will have to spray a little bit water again to it. Part hair into 4 sections. I'm not gonna do that since I'm only using it to moisturize my protective hairstyle. Apply no more than a quarter size amount to each section. We're gonna use less than that. For long hold, wrinkle size amount for a shoulder length, a dime size amount for a short hair. So we're gonna go for the dime size. My hair is long, but I'm using it for the protective hairstyle, so we just want to use like a minimum amount of it. Best use with hair drew. Apply hair drew first and curling custard second. I have the hair drew as well, but I already ran out of it. I usually use that hair drew instead of water, like for my hair, but I ran out of it. Ingredients: water, yoyoba, camel oil, mango butter, lavender, tea tree, rosemary. That's it to this. So what you're gonna need to use this now on your hair. I use this as well like when I have cornrows, and of course when I have like mini twist. This is how it looked like though. Exactly 3 weeks later. So comment below if you guys have any questions to this product I'm about to use, any of their other product I may have or already used. Comment below under this video. I always go through my comment sections. Anything below, any questions, how you doing? Let's chat a little bit. We are going to need, okay, Jennifer, water. This is leaking. That was not my fault. It's actually leaking. Okay. I totally forgot to mention, in the spray bottle I add some of the curling custard into it and then shake it well. That's why it looks so milky. Spray bottle with water. Then obviously the 2 products I just showed you guys. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply a little bit more water to it. Just a tiny bit more. Massage the water in. I'm gonna put the curling custard first and then the oil on my scalp. So this is gonna be enough for my whole hair. Look like this, as if it is like a flax seed consistent, so it's not that heavy. Simply just put it on your hair, on my ends of my hair, and really just like go through, and that's it. Nothing crazy. That's how I use it. Comment below if you already have the product and in how you use it, like the way that you think like that is best for your hair. When I have twist in like mini twist, I like to twist it like this, while putting it in, going like with the way I actually twisted the hair before. In front here. We are almost done actually, because there's like not really a lot to talk about. We should go ahead, she says, like 10 to 15 drops. Okay, now my hand is slippery. Jesus. Okay. Like this is like the application thingy. I just try like to take like entire one. I think I usually end up using more drops than recommended. So I'm just gonna go ahead and I'm only gonna use like the whole, like you can see it's full. All this for my entire scalp. Just please, like I concentrate more on my on my edges, since my edges struggle the most. Apply it all over your head. We still have like almost a half left. And then at the back of my, like on my neck, around this place, this baby hair area. I don't use this every day. When I started using their product, I used to use it every day. But I started using their product when I was in the United States anyway, so I had like more access to their product. Whenever I run out, I just, you know, I just go ahead and pressure them or like on them. But in Germany, now I'm back to Germany, and the shipping over here is like, it's ridiculous. Shipping is ridiculous and the custom service is ridiculous. But for now, as soon as this quarantine is over, I hope to go to the United States and visit some of my friends. And if I go, girl, I am gonna cover myself. Like, if you've already found that one product that is good for your hair, that help you, stick to it. Stick to it. So I'm done. As you can see, it's not like flicking or letting any white stuff on my hair. That's already it. I'm just gonna leave my hair like this. Done. So sorry it's not longer. Like, I have nothing else to tell. Thank you very much for stopping by and watching my video. I will see you guys in 7 days. Bye. Yeah, a few more days and I definitely have to take it down. I don't want to keep it like for a month or so.